It was a rainy evening when Emma, a college girl who loved collecting old things, walked into a small antique shop at the corner of her street. The shop was dusty, full of strange objects, but what caught her eye was a tall, elegant mirror with a golden frame. It looked old, yet it seemed to call her. The shopkeeper smiled faintly when she touched it and whispered, "Be careful. This mirror has a past." Emma laughed and ignored the warning. She bought the mirror and placed it in her bedroom. That night, while brushing her hair in front of the mirror, she noticed something strange. The reflection was not the same as her room. The shadows were darker, and behind her, she saw the faint outline of a woman standing silently. Emma quickly turned around, but the room was empty. At first, she thought it was her imagination. But every night, the reflection grew clearer. The woman's pale face, hollow eyes, and black dress appeared behind her. Sometimes the reflection moved when Emma didn't. Sometimes the mirror showed her doing things she hadn't done yet. Days passed and Emma grew restless. She covered the mirror with a cloth. But the next morning the cloth was always on the floor, and the mirror uncovered. She tried moving it to another room, but no matter where she placed it, the whispers began, soft voices calling her name, asking her to join them. One night, Emma's friend Lily stayed over. When Lily looked into the mirror, she screamed, "Emma, someone is right behind you!" But Emma knew. She was alone in the room. Or at least she thought she was. Terrified, Emma researched the mirror's history. She discovered that it once belonged to a woman who was murdered in front of it. The legend said her spirit was trapped forever inside the mirror, waiting for someone to take her place. That night, Emma tried to smash the mirror, but as the glass shattered, dozens of pale hands reached out from the broken shards, grabbing her arms, pulling her inside. Her screams echoed, then silence. The next morning, Lily came to check on her friend. The room was empty. The broken glass had pieced itself back together, and in the mirror's reflection, Emma stood there, pale and hollow-eyed, smiling from the other side. Some objects carry the weight of the past. Curiosity can sometimes open doors that should remain closed.